Welcome to Bike Sphere, your go-to channel for motorcycle news, reviews, and insights. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Shadow 750, a classic cruiser that continues to blend timeless design with modern reliability. A classic with modern touche. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 remains true to its roots. With its retro styling, low-slung frame, and signature teardrop tank, it's unmistakably a Shadow. But subtle updates this year give it a sharper edge. New color schemes and updated LED lighting bring a touch of modern sophistication without straying from its vintage appeal. Performance and ride quality. Powered by a 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, the Shadow 750 delivers smooth, dependable torque that's perfect for both city cruising and open-road touring. The 5-speed gearbox is responsive, and Honda's proven shaft drive ensures minimal maintenance. With a low seat height and balanced chassis, it's approachable for riders of all levels. Comfort and features. Comfort is a strong suit for the Shadow 750. The plush saddle, forward foot controls, and wide handlebars offer a relaxed riding posture ideal for long hauls. While tech is minimal, Honda includes essentials like ABS and fuel injection, ensuring safe and efficient rides. Who is it for? The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 is perfect for riders who appreciate classic cruiser aesthetics with Honda's signature reliability. Whether you're a beginner looking for an easy-handling bike or a seasoned rider wanting a laid-back machine, the Shadow is a solid choice. Final thoughts. The Shadow 750 may not be flashy, but that's its charm. It sticks to what it does best, being a reliable, stylish, and comfortable cruiser. Honda proves once again that sometimes, tradition is the way to go. Thanks for watching Bike Sphere. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ride safe.